and I will show you what is modifier. Okay, animation modifier. Now you can see, let me do one thing. I will take a new one, new general, don't save, and I will hit I. Okay, so that it will be adding one new keyframe, and I will take up to 40. Then if I want to rotate it on x direction, I will rotate like this. Okay, almost 180 I will rotate, 180 I rotated, and I will hit I. So that at this particular time you can see it is rotating like this. Okay, rotating like this. In order to know what exactly happening, I will go to material. Okay, and I will add one color to this particular thing. Okay, and what I will do, let me hit tab, this top face I will select. Okay, then what I will do, I will add one more material, new material, and I will change this one to some other color. Okay, then I will hit assign. So at that time this face it will be assigned. Now I will go back. Now if you see the changes, see this is going up, right? So if you want to rotate it again 40 to 80, I will rotate it again, so on x direction. At that time what you have to do, you have to do it again, no? So 180 it will be 360, I mean 360, and I will hit I again. See, now this is rotating like this, and again it is rotating like this. And if you want again in 120 again you have to rotate, then it will be like almost what is it, 540, yeah? Something, right? Like this you will do. So it is rotating like this. Okay, in this way you have to do, but this is tedious work, right? So instead of that one, what we can do, I will show you. Let me do one thing. This keying, this graph editor, I will change it to timeline, I will change it to graph editor. That time you can see it is changing only in x direction, right? So x rotation it is changing, this one it is changing, all other things it is not changing. That's why I am selecting these four, these three, delete, and I don't want these also, I will delete this one. Only this is changing, right? That is also like it is continuously changing like this, I don't want in this way. Okay, let me take a timeline back, and what I will do, I will delete all these two. Okay, only I have these two. Okay, go back to graph editor, so control, and I will make it smaller like this. Okay, you can see this is Bezier. Okay, Bezier, you can see it is starting this interpolation. You can see I don't want this interpolation anymore. What I will do, I will select these two and hit control E. Okay, now this is for easy in out, like easing, or else what you can do, you can hit T and linear. I will make it like this, so you can see the speed are same. Okay, now these things it should do cyclic. Okay, so it should continuously repeat. So for that what we can do, something called as modifier. I will hit N. Okay, so N, and at that time you can see you got some extra option here. Okay, so in order to get the modifier, what you have to do, you have to select the value. For example, right now this x value is changing, right? That's why I am selecting this one. At that time you can see the modifier here. Okay, so you can select this one, you can add any modifier. For example, I am adding one new modifier. Okay, so in that you can add cycles. So at that time it will be like, see, it is continuously rotating. See, but right now the cycle is not complete, that's why. Okay, what I will do, instead of this one, let me remove this one for now. So here now it is going to 180. Instead of that, what I will do, I will make it to 360. Okay, and I will add this one 360, that it will change. Now I will add this modifier cycles, and that time you can see the cycle is complete. Okay, so if you want to add one more modifier, that you can add. For example, noise, I am adding some noise. At that time, see, some glitches is there. If you want to change the scale of that noise, that you can increase. At that time, see, some glitches and all. So if you want to increase the strength, that you can do. At that time it will be like this. Okay, so these are the animation modifier. So you can use any modifier on this one, noise, limits and built-in functions. So different things you can do it. Okay.